Good evening to all of you. Today we are going to I will ask you the one word, right, by standing over here, and you will come and you will tell the meaning of this word. उस word का आप meaning बताएंगे and after that you can use that word in your sentence, right? और उसको एक sentence में use करके बताएंगे कि where you can use this word, right? तो first
I wanna use the word unstable because I get inspiration from there. Unstable means you are not stable at one place. Like I want to use this word in a way. If you are unstable, then you are unstoppable in your career.
down. Come on now, you speak. Now Vaishnavi is coming and she is going to tell one word. एक word use करेंगे, उसका meaning बताएंगे and you can use the proper that word in a sentence. एक sentence में use करके बताएंगे उस word.
Discipline. Discipline means अनुशासन. Discipline means just you are making your life in proper order, and discipline saves your energy in unnecessary activities. So I like this word.
Okay, thank you very much. Now come on Varsha, you come on now. You can use कोई सा एक word आप बोलिए, उसका meaning बताइए और उस word को use करके बताइए sentence में. How do you use that?
इनोवेटर हर मीन्स हर काम को नए तरीके से करने वाला. बिकॉज आई एम इनोवेटर आई वांट टू डू चेंजेस इन एवरी वर्क.
Okay, that's very good. Yes, you are right. Come on, way now. Second Varsha will come and she will speak a word. एक word आप बताएंगे, उसका meaning हिंदी में बताएंगे और फिर उसको use करके बताएंगे.
Will power means इच्छा शक्ति. If you have will power, you have everything in your life, because if you are willing, so you can do everything. So I like this word.
Yes, you are right. If you are willing to do anything in your life, you can do anything, right? Now, come on now, you speak.
My word is dynamic. That means gatishil. If you are dynamic in personality or in nature, then everyone appreciates what a personality or what a dynamic person you are. And time demands dynamic people, and because we know that we are not getting job every time in our hometown.
Same places, their hometown.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are
So
right.
we have to go anywhere. So for that we have to be dynamic. So be dynamic.
Okay, that's very good. Is there कि if you are ready to go anywhere, then you have many opportunities. If you are not ready to move, then you have no opportunity in your life. Paras, now you come on now. You एक meaning पहले बताओ, फिर उसका हिंदी बताएंगे, फिर उसको use करेंगे. बताइए.
My favorite word is idea. Its meaning is vichar. Idea is my favorite word because it can change my life.
Idea can change your life if you have good idea in your mind, because life is made with good ideas. Okay, thank you very much. Go now. Doll, you come on now. Now Doll is coming and Doll, you can tell one word. एक word बताइए and you can tell the Hindi of that word, and after that you can use this word, and if you want to speak 2-3 lines, you can speak on that word.
My favorite word is discern. Its meaning is सही गलत में फ़र्क बताना. My favorite word is discern because it is the most difficult task to differentiate between right and wrong. Many people go in the wrong direction instead of the right direction because they can't differentiate between right and wrong. So my favorite word is discern, and I want to discern.
Okay, very good. Go now. Now Jalak, come on now, you speak. Words have the power, and words can give you more and more way to say something in your life. तो okay, now Jalak, you speak. एक word, कोई word बोलेंगे आप, right? और फिर उसका meaning बताएंगे, and after that you can use that word in your own sentence. क्या word है?
माई वर्ड इज़ बिहोल्ड. बिहोल्ड मीन्स अच्छी चीज़ों की ओर देखना. आई बिहोल्ड बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ इन माई लाइफ. सो दिस इज़ माई फेवरेट वर्ड.
Okay, yes, you are right. Behold का मतलब होता है देखना. Behold कहते हैं कि I behold the better opportunities in my life. I behold the better things in my life. I behold the better friends in my life. I behold the better. मतलब अच्छी चीज़ों की ओर देखना. Now you can come and use word. You can tell. कोई सा एक word बताइए आप जो भी आप बोलना चाहते हो उसका हिंदी मीनिंग बताएंगे और फिर उसको यूज़ करेंगे।
Alert means सतर्क रहना. If you're alert are your
In your
life,
life.
I can remove
all the
problems
of your life.
Of your
Very good. Okay, sit down. Now come on girl, small girl, you come and you speak. कोई सा एक वर्ड यू कैन टेल मी, एक वर्ड बताइए।
My favorite bird is book is किताब. Book is my favorite bird because has knowledge transform your life.
Yes, you're right. Book gives us knowledge and knowledge can transfer our life. बिल्कुल सही। परी, now you come on now fast. कौन सा वर्ड बोलेंगे आप? कोई एक वर्ड बताइए, उसका हिंदी मीनिंग बताइए। क्या वर्ड है बोलो।
My favorite word is ready. Its meaning is तैयार रहना. I am ready to do any work in my life.
Very good. Yes, you are right. I am ready to do any work in my life. Yes, you know about the words in there. कि if you are remembering or if you are going to learn 5 words daily, अगर 5 शब्द आप रोज नए याद करें तो you know 1 month how many words you can learn? 150 words you can learn in a 1 month, right? And if you have words and you know the meaning of these words, अगर आपके पास words हैं, phrases हैं, idioms हैं, you can say whatever you want to say in your life. Most of the time it happens कि you have, right, you have the grammatical part to say but you don't know the words. आपके पास शब्द नहीं है, then you can't explain anything properly, right? आपके पास शब्द होने चाहिए और शब्द रखने के लिए क्या क्या तरीके हैं? एक तो you should read या go through. अखबार पढ़ने को go through कहते हैं क्योंकि अखबार जब भी लोग पढ़ते हैं, मैगज़ीन अखबार, तो कोई आवाज़ नहीं निकालते हैं, चुपचाप समझते हैं उसको। तो आप बोलेंगे आई गो थ्रू द इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर डेली। अगर आप न्यूज़पेपर डेली पढ़ते हैं, राइट, अंग्रेज़ी की मैगज़ीन पढ़ते हैं या कोई भी चीज़, कोई वेबसाइट ब्राउज़ करते हैं, तो एक पेपर और एक पेन अपने पास ज़रूर रख लो। इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग एनी न्यू वर्ड, अगर कोई नया शब्द आया है, यू शुड नोट डाउन दैट वर्ड। अदरवाइज़ क्या होता है कि यू आर गेटिंग द न्यू वर्ड्स बट यू कैन नॉट कीप इन योर माइंड, आप उनको अपने माइंड में रख नहीं सकते हो। तो इसीलिए होते हैं कि रोज़ आप 5 नए शब्द तैयार करें, राइट? एंड एनी डे आई कैन आस्क यू एनी वर्ड। किसी दिन भी मैं कोई सा वर्ड आपसे कह सकता हूँ, यू कैन कम हियर, टेल द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट वर्ड। अगर आपको मीनिंग पता होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। अगर आपको मीनिंग नहीं पता है तो फिर आप कोई वर्ड यूज़ नहीं कर सकते। इफ़ यू डोंट नो द मीनिंग, तो वेयर यू कैन यूज़, हाउ यू कैन यूज़, राइट, व्हाट सेंस यू वुड लाइक टू यूज़, किस सेंस में आप उसको यूज़ करेंगे, राइट? तो ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर दिस सेशन।